The amazing secret behind the spicy green chili pepper, revealed under the microscope. Have you ever, while eating spicy chili sauce or noodles, wondered what exactly makes that one tiny chili pepper burn your tongue? Is it just the seeds? Or is there another secret behind it? Well, today, we're not just guessing. We're going to delve deep into the microscopic world of this mischievous green guy. We'll dissect each layer and reveal some surprising facts. And now you can see the details of what the inside of a green chili looks like. Let's return to the discussion. In the first minute of the video, we can see that the dominant part of the green chili inside and the flesh are also green. Only the seeds and placenta attached to the seeds are white. Here's our subject, the green chili pepper. It looks plain on the outside, doesn't it? But trust us, inside, it's a mini chemical factory and a sophisticated defense system. Let's begin our journey. When first cut open, our eyes can see the fresh green flesh, the small seeds embedded in the center, and the white ribs that run through it. But under the microscope, its true beauty is revealed. You can see that the small round shapes are the water content in the green cayenne pepper. Look, what we think of as ordinary meat is actually parenchymal tissue, a kind of small city with millions of water sacs. The cells are large, fluid-filled, and store high doses of vitamin C and antioxidants. This is the source of the freshness and health benefits of chili peppers. But notice the area around the seeds. There's a distinct tissue. That's the placenta seen in the first few minutes of the video. This is the heart of all the spiciness. This is the real capsaicin factory. This is where the chemical compound called capsaicin is produced. Not in the seeds, folks. This is a big myth that we need to debunk. The seeds themselves, given their hard, dense shape, serve only one purpose: to reproduce. They are the precursors to new plants. But because it lives and clings tightly to this capsaicin-filled house, it's become spicy too. It's a victim of circumstance. Nature created this as a clever strategy. This pungent taste is a warning system for mammals like us, preventing us from eating the seeds and destroying them in our digestive systems. Meanwhile, birds, who can't taste spicy food, will eat them and spread the seeds far and wide in their droppings. Amazing, isn't it? So, what are the benefits of consuming these chemical plants and future plants? It turns out there are many. The capsaicin in the placenta and fruit pulp can boost metabolism. It helps burn fat and even releases endorphins that make us feel good. Plus, it's super high in vitamin C, free radical-fighting antioxidants, and essential minerals. Consumed in moderation, this can be a healthy companion. But be careful. Excessive consumption, especially of the hard, fiber-rich seeds, can backfire. Our digestive system can become overwhelmed, causing irritation, stomach pain, or worsening conditions like ulcers and GERD. Imagine those tiny seeds rubbing against the already sensitive stomach lining. So, for those suffering from some of these conditions, it's best to avoid or severely limit this spicy green food. Your body is already at war, so don't add to its internal heat. So, what did we learn today? The green chili pepper is a miniature wonder. From its vitamin-rich flesh to its placenta, a sophisticated spice factory. To the seeds that just want to continue living. Spiciness is a story of survival, evolutionary strategy, and chemical surprises. The next time you bite into a chili, remember our journey. You're not just tasting the spiciness, but interacting with a complex and beautiful living system, an explosion of flavors designed by nature over millions of years. The surface of the green cayenne pepper is uneven and looks like it has hills, and the cell network that forms it is visible, as we can see together. So, in general terms, the placenta is like a chewy jelly that sticks to each seed in the green chili pepper. So what makes it spicy is not the skin, not the flesh of the chili, and not the seeds, but the placenta attached to the seeds. So if you eat chilies but don't want them spicy, peel the chilies first, separate the seeds and the placenta, and just eat the skin. If you are curious about the microscopic secrets of other everyday objects, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because the amazing science journey doesn't end here. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to investigate next. See you in the next episode.